Class 97 Induction heating. It is also called as eddy current heating. See, the circuit is like this. You have first rectifier. The input AC 230 volts is rectified and then filtered. Then it is given to the inverter. After that, you have a resonant circuit L and C, which is in series with the load, that is R. R is also called as workpiece or charge. At high frequency, the eddy current loss also will be high. You know that as frequency is increased, eddy current also is increased. Now, this R represents the vessel which is kept on the induction heater. There is a coil inside which is represented by LR here. Eddy current is a loss which is not recommended, or it is not good in transformer and induction motors or DC machines, etc. But in case of induction heating, this loss is made use to heat what we need. So eddy current loss is used here as a heating purpose. Here there is no wastage because the workpiece itself is heated. There is no wastage in the heat dissipation to the surroundings, and it is very fast, efficient and clean. The output heat which can be controlled easily by controlling the frequency, because eddy current is proportional to the eddy current loss is proportional to frequency square. You know that iron loss, that is hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. Hysteresis loss is proportional to frequency and eddy current loss is proportional to square of the frequency. So by controlling the inverter frequency, you can control the heat required at the workpiece.